Ever since I was a kid, I've had one dream: to be a chef. Now, I wasn't like any other kid. Outside, going on swings, playing with Lego, bit of Fortnite. No. Me, I was inside, mastering the art of burning toast. You see, at careers day, they'll ask me, what do you want to be? Footballer, this, princess. No, my dreams are greater. See, cooking isn't about the food, it's about the passion, about the flavor. It's about not setting the kitchen on fire. And you see, after many years of dreaming, watching people like Gordon Ramsay on TV, and Googling how to boil water, I've decided I'm going to take the plunge. And I've realized I cannot do this alone. I need a mentor. Someone who's truly great, mastered everything there is to do with cooking. Yeah. You know, I think I found the perfect person. And that's right. We are here with our teacher. There he is, the man himself. Yeah, that's right. Here we are with the man himself, Gordon Ramsay, to teach us.
I'm Chef Ramsay, and this is Hell's Kitchen.
Yes, chef.
Here, you'll go head-to-head against the greatest chefs on Roblox. I'll start by
Yes,
splitting
chef.
you into two teams.
Oh, here we go. I actually need new people in game because
These are your
these are
teams.
just
Don't
talking the
get too
most.
comfortable. Welcome to pre-service, your opportunity to demonstrate your culinary skills.
Yes,
This
sure.
task is all about accuracy.
I've played this a little bit before, so you know. Whoa, 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 whoa! We're a bit late there. All right. You know, we're not going to talk about the. Oh, look at that cutting technique. The real question is, will we go all the... Whoa, what was that? Oven cook. The oven cooks pretty quick, so you know.
There you go. You're getting it.
Oh no, we burnt it. We burnt it. We're going home. Maybe we needed some practice beforehand. Risotto, chef. Oh, we're actually first. Yeah. Let's make sure everyone leaves. So yeah, there we go. We did it. I hope Chef Ramsay's proud of me. I did burn that, so that could tank our score. We'll see how it goes, but here we go.
Just the top performers left. No pressure.
We were top of the class.
The winning team is...
Well, our team lost because the average. Oh my god, someone's got to go home. Not me. Not me. I was top scorer. No. Who got lower? I don't remember. I think he was real slow, if I remember. He was the last person to do it. So he's got to go spare. Oh, someone just dropped out of that team. He is a rookie though. First time playing, we sent him home. Bit sad, but adios. Oh. Don't let me down.
Lamb sauce. Where is it?
Where's the lamb sauce?
This is dinner service. You're not.
Which side? Did we go to red team?
Performing a symphony.
Because obviously it's mirrored to the other side now, but. Yes, chef. Straight to the fridge. with a beef Wellington. Oh, we've got to stop behind there. We are red teams. We are on the other side. Nope. Keep chopping. Keep chopping. Oh, oh, I'm selling. It is dinner service, so there's multiple dishes.
Keep that momentum.
And she did the brutal mistake of not cutting the Wellington. Now, I don't know if anyone else has played this, but that
They're loving your food.
is a rookie mistake. Oh. Did little fridge skip. Don't know if people play this, but you know. Master speedrunner like myself.
Top of the... You're mastering the art.
That was close. That was actually close. I messed up the first round, but that was just because, you know, I was slacking. But that one nearly just went.
Well done.
Why is he over our side? What is this guy doing? I don't think he knows. I've got multiple things here. If we do it in this order, should be able to just run it all the way down this line. Oh, it does say it in the bottom left, I never realised. Boom.
That looks amazing. Great technique. There you go.
That might be my greatest work of all time.
Seriously? Brilliant work.
Turn the camera. That was insane. I think it's a little fry and serve. We're seeing good. We're seeing good. Good score right there. Can we see their average? Oh, they're actually close behind us, so we do need this. This middle right here may have just secured us the win. There's a blender? Can you,
nailing this challenge.
I don't think it works, but...
I have to
No! Oh, that was us. We're red.
Team can win.
Brain's
The
gone.
winning team is the blue team.
What can I say? I've learned from the best, Ramsay. You taught me well.
Well, somebody had to go.
Good competition. He did get 0. I think he disconnected or something, but...
Go and rest until it's time for...
Oh, we're straight in. We do need a good run here, because... don't really want... Whoosh. Not like last time. Now, we're going to go over now. Hopefully nothing will burn.
Top of the class.
Will I get there in time? I did. Perfect. Oh, mix. She's right on my tail. Oh, no. Assemble, assemble, assemble. This is very close. Fierce competition at the end here. Who comes around that corner first? I think I do. Right. We did! We got it! That's what matters most. Now it is neck and neck between our teammates. Looks like we've got the two finalists here, but... Come on! Run! Yes! He didn't let us down.
Doors. The winning team is the blue team.
Oh, the guy left.
It's time for the lowest scorer to leave house.
Wait, the guy left. Oh no, straight into the finals.
It's time to
He
leave.
sold her the game and then got kicked out. This might be... Yeah, for some reason there's an obstacle course halfway through the game. You know. Yeah, I'm probably going to cut this out and go to the finals. Alright, we're back.
Rest until it's time for the next round.
We're back. This is the finals. Look into the camera. I will win. I will win. This is everything we... Oh, okay. It is a dinner service, which does mean I think he got there first, and I got stuck on the table. Get to the mix. Oh, he went the wrong way. We saw that. Don't think we didn't see that. Oven. Will he mess up like the last person I had? He went to you got to cut the Wellington, man. No one eats a Wellington home.
That looks amazing.
Oh, I've gone the wrong way. This might be it.
Finally, you're getting...
I don't even see him. I don't see him. That scares me more. He's just got into the fridge now. We are well in the lead. We can keep this up. Oh, whoa. I think I went on my other screen. Meatballs. 1, 2, 3. Frying pan. 1, 2. There we go.
Great technique. There you go. You're getting it. Keep that momentum.
Whoa. Come on. We've got 2 blenders this time. Order. Where's the food? Yes, chef. Just lock in, focus on our game. Don't worry about what he's doing.
Top of the class. You're mastering the art.
99 quality. Service. Take the plate.
Go!
Order. How long on them fries? Oh, what am I doing? Can I fry mix back to back? Go! Turn around. Alright, we're good.
That looks amazing.
Thank you, chef. I'm gonna say I think I smoked
They're
this.
loving your food.
Hey, I don't even think it's close. There's no way this guy got a 6K.
You've
Moment
been on
of
a real
truth.
journey, both of you. You've crafted dishes, made friends, and enemies.
Made a lot of enemies now.
Become real chefs. That's what this show is all about.
Thank you, chef.
It's time to reveal. The winner of this season of Hell's Kitchen Roblox is... Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes!
Executive Chef.
Yes! Executive Chef.
Your skill has really impressed me. You are...
Remember when I was a little boy, this is what I dreamed of. Yes!
Chef is about more than winning.
No, it's not about more than winning. I won.
You've got that in spades.
Sorry.
Your
You're
future is bright.
right. He even left.
And so, that wraps up another season of Hell.
Thank you.
I'm Gordon Ramsay, and I'll see you next
Thank
time.
you.
But please, keep cooking.
Shit, we executive chefs now. Let's go. Alright. Guess I'm a chef. I got my dream.